Yo, what's up guys? I'm Looperman. This is the robot sound tutorial, which was requested by many people. It sounds like this. Yeah, that's the sound. The first thing you have to do is to put your tongue on the roof of your mouth, like this. Just behind your front upper teeth. Yeah. Then you have to breathe out. So the air comes from the two sides of your mouth. So it's like, and if you push harder, you get the duck sound, which sounds like. The trick is that you have to vocalize it, like, and when you add it to the duck sound, it goes like the duck sound, and the vocals. You can change the sound by changing the shape of your mouth and using different levels of your voice, like notice that when how I'm moving my cheeks, like if I go like this, the sound changes, like to make it more effective, like I do, I think, yeah, I add my inward snare between every sound, like you can also add sounds like I think that's the perfect introduction, like if you're going on stage or something.